Hi guys, my name is David Stolier along with Nikhil Venkatesh and Rahul Patel, and our project is called Know Your Style. We're going to be developing an iOS app that uses a lot of different cool technologies to help you better understand what you like to wear and how you like to wear it.
So why this app? So on average, a woman spends 399 hours shopping a year, and millennials make 54% of their purchases online. And as e-commerce grows at a crazy rate of 23% year after year, there is a drastic growth and increase in online shopping. So when someone goes to make an online purchase, websites such as Amazon and other clothing outlets basically make suggestions based on your search history and search patterns, and they have no idea about what you actually wear on a day-to-day basis. In fact, for some people, their own fashion sense is very unclear to themselves. So this app is to increase customization and more personalization for you to better understand your own fashion sense and allow you to make smarter, more personable shopping selections based on that.
So the overall design of the user interface, it's going to be simplistic and something for the user will be friendly to use. The overall layout, we're going to be using a grid layout, which basically it's going to have 3 different blocks, and each block is going to have a certain label attached to it, where the first one will have the user go through their photos, scan them all, and then load them into the database. The second one is going to be where the user can access their clothing history, to where they can go online, find clothing that's based on from their style. And then the third one is going to be a new kind of scanning, where it'll rescan all the photos and then give them more statistics on how their clothing is based.
So the most important part of our app is going to be based out of 2 APIs. First of all, we're going to use a Facebook API to be able to get authorization from each client to look through their Facebook and obtain the pictures that we want to find their style in. And second of all, we're going to use a cloud-based API to analyze the pictures and find different images that we find in the pictures. So this is a very crucial step for us because it's going to determine a lot of the success of our application, the way we implement this API.
So once we have both the APIs configured, we will have the Facebook Graph API, which will then store all the data into some database. We're deciding whether to use the Oracle or the Mongo database. Once we have all images set up in the database, the Cloud Vision API is basically going to run all the image analytics based on all the images scanned and uploaded. And once all those images have all been scanned, the API will then give us all the results pertaining to what kind of style they like, their clothing colors, brands, etc. And then once we have all that information, it will then be outputted into the application, and the results will be then given to the user.
This app is intended for anyone who doesn't have a full grasp of their fashion sense. As college students, we're often doing whatever's readily available. We have big dreams of putting our fashion to the extreme and making some cool fashion decisions. So our app is going to help people like us get a better grasp of what we like and what we could wear in order to make our style even that much cooler.
So in summary, Know Your Style is going to be an iOS application that enhances your online shopping abilities. It will provide suggestions based on your social media preferences. Based on our application's algorithms, it will tell you things that you might be interested in shopping further.